Starting woodworking is exciting, but beginners often overlook tools that make projects easier and more accurate. Beyond saws and hammers, the right accessories improve precision, save time, and reduce frustration. This guide highlights 20 essential tools that every beginner should add to their workshop. Struggling with inconsistent fence alignment or limited adjustability slows down precision woodworking, but the Woodpeckers SF Pro Router Table Fence solves that with refined design and versatility. Evolved from the long popular Super Fence, the SF Pro shares many common parts, and Woodpeckers even offers an upgrade kit so Super Fence owners can take advantage of the new refinements. In a detailed 740 video, Jeff Ferris demonstrates how to assemble and align the SF Pro, how to convert your Super Fence, and introduces a new adapter that integrates Woodpecker's Micro Adjust for ultra-precise positioning. Built for serious woodworkers, the SF Pro Router Table Fence transforms router table work from a tedious setup into a streamlined, professional quality process, delivering smoother setup, greater accuracy, and enhanced workflow efficiency. Whether upgrading or starting fresh, this fence transforms router table work into a streamlined, professional quality process, making it an essential tool for any serious woodworker. Marking precise 90-degree layouts on small stock with bulky carpenter squares is awkward and inaccurate, but the Veritas Pocket Layout Squares solve that with compact precision. Machined from solid anodized aluminum, these pocket-sized squares deliver reliable accuracy in joinery, cabinetry, and furniture projects. Available in 1.5-inch, 2.5-inch, and 3.5-inch sizes, they slip easily into an apron or pocket, always ready when you need them. Laser-etched markings in 1/16-inch increments ensure long-lasting readability, while the lightweight design makes repetitive layout work effortless. Perfect for checking corners, marking cut lines, or aligning small components, they provide the accuracy of a full-size square without the bulk. Durable, portable, and built for fine woodworking, the Veritas Pocket Layout Squares transform layout tasks from clumsy guesswork into quick, professional quality results, making them an essential tool for any serious woodworker. Holding wide boards or large panels steady on a table saw often means struggling against kickback and inconsistent cuts, but the clear-cut TS stock guides solve that with unmatched safety and precision. Featuring unique guide rollers mounted at a 5-degree angle, they automatically steer your stock toward the fence, ensuring consistent alignment. Each roller is mounted on a one-way needle bearing to prevent kickback, while the spring-loaded roller arms apply firm pressure, gripping more tightly if the wood resists the feed direction. Setup is quick and simple, and when not in use, the guides pivot neatly behind the fence for unobstructed operation. Designed to handle wide boards and panels with ease, the clear-cut TS stock guides transform table saw work into a safer, smoother, and more precise process, giving woodworkers confidence and control with every cut. Heavy-duty demolition often means fighting through vibration, fatigue, and limited runtime, but the Hilti Neuron SR622 cordless reciprocating saw solves that with power, comfort, and precision. Built on the Hilti 22-volt Neuron battery platform, it delivers consistent performance across demanding materials, including wood, metal-embedded wood, plastics, pipes, strut, and more. The integrated active vibration reduction technology, AVR, minimizes vibration, giving you faster cuts with greater comfort and control during extended use. Compact yet rugged, the SR622 is engineered for demolition and cutting tasks where reliability matters most. With cordless freedom, long runtime, and optimized ergonomics, the SR622 transforms tough cutting jobs from exhausting struggles into efficient, professional-grade results, making it a must-have tool for contractors, tradespeople, and serious DIYers tackling heavy demolition projects. Finding the right tool rest for your lathe can be stressful, with mismatched sizes and limited options slowing down your projects, but the Axminster wood-turning tool rest system solves that with flexibility and precision. Designed as an interchangeable system, it offers a choice of rests and post diameters to achieve the perfect height and fit for your lathe, making a wide range of turning projects effortless. The lineup includes 4 straight rests ranging from 100 mm to 250 mm, giving you the right support for everything from fine detail work to larger spindles. For bowl turning, the system adds a unique S-shaped rest, providing smooth guidance around curves. Built for versatility and ease of use, the Axminster tool rest system transforms wood turning from a struggle with limited rests into a streamlined, adaptable process, helping you turn with confidence and accuracy. You're in the workshop on a Saturday morning, ready to glue up a new tabletop. The boards are cut, the glue is spread, but frustration sets in when clamps slip, pressure feels uneven, and gaps appear. That's where Clampzilla Basics changes the story. Designed for effortless glue-ups, Clampzilla applies strong, even pressure across your project, eliminating warping and gaps. Setup is quick and intuitive. Just clamp, glue, and move on. Whether it's a picture frame, cutting board, or a larger build, Clampzilla adapts with versatile reach, giving hobbyists and pros confidence in every project. Imagine the satisfaction when your glue-up dries perfectly flat, exactly as you envisioned. Reliable, sturdy, and easy to use, Clampzilla Basics transforms every woodworking challenge into a success story because with the right clamp, your creativity has no limits. Switching between drilling pilot holes, counterbores, and driving screws usually means juggling multiple bits and wasting time, but the Craig Quick Flip solves that with a clever dual-action design. Chucked into any drill or even an impact driver, the Quick Flip features a double-ended insert in a quick-release housing. On one end, a precision drill bit creates the perfect pilot hole, while a built-in cutter forms a flat-bottomed counterbore for the screw head. Flip it around, and you're ready to drive in a Craig screw without changing tools. Designed for pocket hole joinery, but versatile enough for face joining corners and other applications, the Quick Flip makes Craig screws even easier to use. Durable, efficient, and built for speed, it transforms multi-step fastening into a one-step process, delivering stronger joints and faster assembly for both pros and DIYers. Measuring stair treads or shelves by hand often leads to errors, wasted material, and endless trial and error, but the Woodpecker's stair tread and shelf gauge solves that with instant, precise templates. Built with 2 adjustable bevel ends, the gauge swings out to match wall angles, compensating for irregularities and ensuring a perfect fit. With Woodpecker's dual-purpose track and proven connectors, you can extend the beam for projects from 17 up to 64 inches, making it versatile for both small and large installations. A sliding connector lets you adjust the gauge directly into the opening, lock it in place, and capture exact dimensions. Unlike other jigs, the built-in flip stops provide a perfect edge reference when transferring the template to stock. Complete with multiple beam sections and accessories, this tool transforms tricky installations into quick, accurate cuts, delivering flawless shelves, treads, and risers every time. Precision defines great woodworking, and the PEC Tools Combination Square Set delivers accuracy you can rely on. Crafted from hardened steel, each square provides exact 90-degree and 45-degree angles, depth checks, and layout measurements. Whether marking dovetails, verifying cuts, or checking assemblies, this set ensures consistency across every project. The etched graduations remain clear after years of use, while the smooth sliding heads make adjustments effortless. Imagine laying out a cabinet or frame and knowing every line is perfectly square. No guesswork, no costly mistakes. Built for durability and trusted by craftsmen, the PEC Combination Square Set is more than a measuring tool. It's the foundation of precision. From fine joinery to everyday builds, it brings confidence, reliability, and professional results to your workshop. Accuracy isn't optional, it's essential, and PEC makes it simple. The Craig Mortise-made loose tenon jig redefines traditional wood joinery, making strong, hidden joints simple and precise. This innovative tool combines the accuracy of a router with the convenience of a drill, eliminating complex setups. Its exclusive auto-indexing step-down mechanism lowers the cutter by 1/16 with each pass, ensuring flawless mortises every time. Micro-adjustment screws allow customization of mortise width, giving perfect control for tight or loose tenon fits. An integrated mini work surface provides quick clamping with trigger-style clamps, ideal for both permanent setups and mobile applications. Designed for efficiency, Mortise-Made saves time while delivering professional quality results. Whether building furniture, cabinetry, or fine joinery, this jig offers unmatched precision and strength. Elevate craftsmanship with a tool that transforms mortise and tenon joinery into a straightforward, reliable process. The Milescraft Trim 45 is the ultimate trim carpentry aid, designed to deliver exact, accurate measurements without calculations or extra help. Perfect for installing door and window casement trim, as well as decorative projects like fireplaces and bookshelves. This tool eliminates the hassle of fumbling with tape measures. Its unique measuring and marking design ensures precise cuts and flawless results every time. What sets the Trim 45 apart is its adjustable reveal setting, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch in 1/8 inch increments, making it versatile enough for any project, whether at home or on the job site. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the Trim 45 saves time while improving accuracy, giving both professionals and DIYers confidence in their finished work. With Milescraft Trim 45, trim installation becomes faster, cleaner, and more precise, turning every project into a professional success. The Allied Tools Wing Divider is a timeless layout tool built for precision and versatility. Designed to scribe circles, measure distances, and transfer dimensions with accuracy, it's an essential companion for woodworkers, metalworkers, and artisans alike. Constructed from durable steel with finely machined points, the wing divider ensures clean, consistent marks on wood, metal, or other materials. Its adjustable design allows for effortless setting and locking, giving you confidence in every measurement. Whether laying out arcs for a custom tabletop, marking dovetail spacing, or transferring dimensions from a plan to your workpiece, this tool bridges traditional craftsmanship with modern projects. Compact yet sturdy, it fits easily into any toolbox while delivering professional results. With Allied Tools Wing Divider, precision isn't just possible, it's guaranteed, making every project a showcase of accuracy and skill. Framing projects often demand perfect 90-degree corners, yet keeping pieces aligned while glue dries can be a challenge. These corner clamps provide the solution, locking materials securely in place to ensure flawless right angles every time. Whether assembling picture frames, boxes, or small furniture, they hold your work steady, eliminating slips and misalignment. With 4 clamps included, multiple corners can be tackled at once, saving time and boosting efficiency. Built from durable materials, they deliver reliable strength while remaining easy to position and adjust. Compact enough for any toolbox, yet powerful enough for professional use, they make corner joinery simple and stress-free. For hobbyists and seasoned woodworkers alike, these clamps transform tricky glue-ups into seamless successes, guaranteeing precision and confidence in every project. Strong, dependable, and practical, corner perfection is finally within reach. The Johnson-level Mach 1 square is built for accuracy, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for carpenters, builders, and woodworkers. Designed to deliver precise 90-degree verification, it ensures that cabinets, frames, and assemblies stay true and professional. Crafted from lightweight yet rugged materials, the Mach 1 square is easy to handle while maintaining the strength needed for demanding job sites. Its clear markings and solid construction allow for quick layout, inspection, and measurement, reducing errors and saving time. Whether checking squareness on a cabinet build, aligning corners, or verifying cuts, this square provides confidence in every project. Compact enough to fit in your toolbox, yet tough enough for daily use, the Mach 1 square is the reliable standard for professionals who demand precision. With Johnson level, accuracy isn't optional, it's guaranteed. Aligning drawer fronts can be one of the trickiest steps in cabinetry. Even the slightest slip can leave gaps or uneven spacing that ruin the look of your project. These installation clamps solve that problem by holding drawer fronts firmly in place while you adjust, drill, and secure. Built from durable steel with easy-to-use tightening mechanisms, they provide reliable holding power without damaging your workpiece. Whether working on kitchen cabinets, workshop storage, or custom furniture, the clamps ensure perfect alignment every time. Compact and versatile, they fit a wide range of drawer sizes, saving time and reducing frustration. For professionals and hobbyists alike, they transform a tedious task into a simple, repeatable process. With precision guaranteed, drawer installation becomes faster, cleaner, and more professional, turning every build into a showcase of craftsmanship. Small projects often demand big precision, and tackling them with a bulky, full-size saw can feel overwhelming. That's where a compact powerhouse steps in. Designed for portability and control, this mini circular saw slices through plywood, boards, and trim with ease. Lightweight construction reduces fatigue, while the ergonomic grip keeps every cut steady and accurate. A high-performance motor delivers smooth results, making it ideal for quick jobs, tight spaces, or detailed work where precision matters most. Imagine cutting panels for a bookshelf or trimming boards for a DIY project. Fast, clean, and efficient without the hassle of oversized equipment. Durable design ensures reliability, while its compact size makes storage simple. For professionals and hobbyists alike, this saw transforms small tasks into seamless successes, proving that big performance can come in a small package. The right tools make all the difference. By adding these essentials to your workshop, you'll avoid common mistakes, save time, and build with confidence. Equip yourself wisely, and every project will feel smoother, sharper, and more rewarding.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.